Hi, it's your girl Sunshine. And many of you have come up to me and said, Sunshine, how do I get started in achieving my destiny or my goal in life? Or how do I even find out my purpose? Now, this is a journey that everyone should take. I really encourage you to take it if you haven't taken it and you're clicking on the video and thinking, what's this about? It's about finding your purpose in life. And it's not a 1, 2, 3, 4 step. It's many steps. And one that I won't possibly have enough time to go through in this one video. But if you want to find out how to do it and steps to take it, then you need someone like me in your life. I am a life coach. I'm a motivational speaker, keynote speaker as well, and also a trainer. And this is what I do. This is what I do as my living, how I earn my living. But that is not my main goal. My main goal is to also live out my purpose, which is to add value to others and to help people find their purpose in life. And that is my joy. I can't begin to, that's what I was trying to say. I can't begin to express how much joy I feel when I'm meeting with someone and it clicks. Everything falls into place and they have that epiphany where they know, oh my gosh, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life. It's one of the most magical moments ever. So if you want to find out how to go about doing that, then please just have a look at the links below and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube page as well as check out my website, and we can hopefully meet eventually and I can help you get to where you want to be. Until next time.